This appears to be the King's Cross area of London. It is known for its railway station and transportation connections.
Do you remember where you saw my glasses?
Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
What can I add here to make this system faster?
Adding a cache between the server and database could improve speed.
What does this remind you of?
Schrodinger's cat.
All right, give me a band name for this duo.
Golden Stripes.
Nice. Thanks, Gemini.
এবার আসুন আর্টিফিশিয়াল ইন্টেলিজেন্সের বিশাল বিবর্তনে আপনার জন্য কত বড় বিপদ অপেক্ষা করে যাচ্ছে কিংবা চাকরির বাজারে সেটা